Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from the PhonePe, Amazon, and another important company. So first important hiring that is from the PhonePe. They are hiring for the role of Operation Associate VKYC. So this is a kind of non-tech profile. So this will be your responsibility. You will act with integrity and think customer first in every interaction. Handle cases with involve video callings and other. So you can clearly visualize that this is a non-tech profile. So if you are interested in this and if you have good communication skill and want to work with PhonePe, then you can apply for this. Next important opportunity, and this hiring as means I've already provided update for this hiring, and still the hiring is going on for the software development engineer one from Amazon. This is Amazon University Talent Program. So if you haven't applied it, then I will suggest must apply. So if you are from the BE BTech means from CS or related background, then you are eligible for this. Preferred qualification, if you have some done internship, then this will be a good for you. Next important opportunity that is from the Honeywell. They are hiring for the role of software engineer one. Again saying friends, make sure to apply with updated resume and basically update your resume according to the job roles and responsibility. Then only it will basically give you your chances. Friends, recently the candidates are getting the reward from the company about the Gensar, which I already provided update. So if you haven't applied, must apply for that. And still superset mass hiring is going on for from various companies like Wipro and other, and lots of things is going on. So make sure to apply. And those who have NQT exam, just follow our playlist which we have already completed related to NQT. And best of luck who have exam tomorrow. Okay, so moving to next important opportunity that is from means they are hiring for the role of fresher developer trainee, backend and front-end developer. So if you are interested in backend or front-end technology and comfortable to work from the Mumbai location, then this is one of the important opportunity. So for that you should have basic knowledge of Node.js REST API. So if you are interested, you can apply. For applying, just you have to click the link and you will be redirected to new page. Basically you have to fill the form, your details. Okay, and this is a registration form. And if you have done some internship or anything, then you can apply, and any achievements, then just you have to give. So you can clearly visualize here BE BTech from CS, IT, EC and other branches are eligible, means BSc, MTech and other all are eligible. So if you are interested, you can apply. Next important opportunity from the schenider electrical engineering. They are hiring for the role of GET Mumbai. If you are 2024, 2025 or 2026 or even 2023 from electrical, electronics, instrumentation or mechatronics branches, then this is one of the wonderful opportunity. You can get salary package up to 7 LPA. So if you are interested, you can just register. This is one of the wonderful opportunity. Don't miss this. Okay. So for registration, just you have to provide the basic details and all those means. I think you should click here apply now link. Then this is the things you have to just provide. Okay, moving to next important opportunity from the GE Aerospace. They are hiring for the role of data science intern, and stipend you can get 40 to 50k. So if you are 2026 or 2027 batch, you can apply for this, and this is also a wonderful opportunity. Don't miss. Okay, so this is means you can directly apply from the LinkedIn. So I will provide you the direct link. Okay, friends, if you have been selected for the TCS NQT interview and want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can fill our form. We will provide you complete guidance and also resume review, which will help you to clear the exam. कोई भी query है, we can connect on LinkedIn or you can ask there. And best of luck who have interview for the next important opportunity that is from the HCL Tech, and their hiring is still going on for 2022, 2023, 2024, 25 and 2026, and salary you can get up to 5.2 LPA. So if you haven't applied for it, must apply for this wonderful opportunity, and you have to just register and you have to provide all those details. So I've already provided updates for this important opportunity earlier too. Okay, next important, this is the internship, and this is for tech and non-tech both role. So if you are interested in tech or non-tech, you can just share your resume with any project to this, and company name is wyerflow technology. So they generally do the hiring. So regularly I provide update for this important company too. So make sure to apply. कोई भी query again feel free to ask here, comment here. I am here to help you. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.